In November of 2012, a man confessed to killing an American teacher in the Qatari capital of Doha. The Kenyan guard admitted he murdered Jennifer Brown in her apartment shortly after cops found her body. But ever since, the man's trial has been moving slowly through the Qatari courts. Now a judge has put his fate in the hands of Brown's family, who is living half a world away in Pennsylvania. Brown's family has three options: pardon the guard, which would still likely lead to prison time, get financial compensation from him, or have him executed. Brown's family is split on the decision. Her dad says he wants him killed, telling Doha News, quote, "I just don't know what to say. When that knucklehead killed Jennifer, he didn't just kill her. He killed Jennifer, my wife, and myself." Brown's sisters said she didn't want him to die. It's an unnerving situation to be put in and a microcosm of what Americans think as a whole. A Pew Research poll found 55% of Americans were in favor of the death penalty in 2013, but that's down from 78% in 1998. And that sentiment is playing out on death row. 74 inmates were executed in the U.S. in 2014 compared to 315 in 1994. It's a similar situation in Qatar, where Amnesty International says Qatar's courts have handed down 6 death sentences in 2013, but hasn't actually executed anyone in at least a dozen years. That's on par with a lot of states in the U.S., considering Qatar has a population around the size of New Mexico's. But now, a Qatari court has put an American family in the rare spot where a life is literally in their hands. A decision on whether the confessed killer will be put to death or remain in prison is expected March 8th. But it's hard not to hear the story and ask yourself, if someone killed one of your loved ones, what would you ask the government to do?